Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how you can delete Hamster Kombat on Telegram. To delete your Hamster Kombat Telegram account, the first thing you'll need to do is to open your Telegram application and open up your Hamster Kombat bot. After you are connected to your bot, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner. Now, from the options, tap on Delete Account. Click on Delete Account if you are sure you want to proceed further. Remember that deleting your account will get rid of all of your data, including game progress, achievements, and purchases, and the action cannot be undone. After you proceed and delete your account, you will be able to get rid of Hamster Kombat account using Telegram. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.